Hmm?
Maybe you should keep that in mind. Yes.
Yeah. Here we are.
Hawaiian train.
Yeah. I'm from Rowville. Yeah. Because we don't have trains in Rowville.
Where's Rowville?
Where's Rowville?
Do you know Scoresby?
Scoresby?
That's north. Malgrave? No, east.
East, okay.
Yeah.
Malgrave?
Yes, okay.
Yeah. It's part of the Mulgrave and
Out towards the den.
yes.
Yeah, okay.
Oh wow.
We got the CFA fire station anniversary open day next Saturday because they've been doing this for 80 years.
Wow.
Yeah, it's gonna be happening next Saturday.
So you just spend your day riding trains?
Yeah, just one at a time, one of the days. So
It's good to have. That's nice. It's fun.
yeah,
You know all about the history of the trains and like going from the silver line.
yeah,
Have you been to Easy's?
easy.
The burger place
Yeah.
in Collingwood with
Yeah.
the trains on the roof?
Yeah, I went there for my birthdays and other stuff. It was pretty simple. Yeah. When did she start liking trains?
I think her whole life she's always liked them.
Her life.
Trains are usually
One of the Puppy Village volunteers. Yeah. maybe you should take her to see Puppy Billy.
Yeah, we'd love that. We're planning to this summer.
Oh yeah. This summer, and also we got the Polar Express coming up probably.
The Polar Express for Christmas.
Yeah.
Fun.
We made a new one instead of just call it like Santa Special. We call it like Polar Express. Like you hop on this like a steam train, like a Garrett goes from Belgrave to Lakeside, and then you spend time for the day, and then hop on back, and then drive from the afternoon.
What's your dream train ride anywhere in the world?
Driving and helping the passengers.
Yeah. Is there a route that you want to do more than any other route in the world?
Just being in the day in our ranges, so just
Lovely.
beautiful scenery.
Yeah.
Yeah. At the moment we're a little bit busy because yeah.
Look at another train.
Yeah, that's got it coming.
Now arriving at Richmond. Change here for Belgrave, Lilydale, Alamein and Glenwaverley services.
It's so many.
Yeah. So next year I'm in Year 9 now, and next year I'll be Year 10.
Yeah.
So next year I'll be got work experience for the first time.
You're gonna work for the Metro or
Mm.
PT, sorry?
Not sure because it might be a little bit far from the distance. So we just like to make sure like the closest distance, like from Rowville to Belgrave or. Hello.
Haven't I seen you at Belgrave or?
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
yeah.
Having Billy.
Yeah. Yeah, I've just come my early shift there.
Oh yeah, what shift you were just
Menzies Creek.
Menzies Creek.
There
There you go.
you go, small world.
We were just saying.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, we were just talking about the Puppy Billy work
Look at
experience.
this.
Just been telling the
I'm busy for the next 4 weeks. I've got a day out with Thomas.
yeah, but just been telling that next year.
No, it starts next weekend.
Yeah.
Is that sold out? Do you know?
I believe it.
Yeah. But you can still go and watch, so yeah. Like I think the best way to go see Thomas is probably Cockatoo.
Okay.
Yeah, Lakeside to Cockatoo, 4 trips.
Yeah.
I've got the roster here.
Yeah.
Hey, a kangaroo nearly got on the other day. Yeah, it's true, yeah. He got onto the platform and...
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
What's it name? Is it Greg?
No, Belgrave.
Oh my goodness. Human friend.
So when did it start
That
happening?
was the one... hasn't got today.
Is this today?
No, I just got that today, but there.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, he actually got onto the platform and he's ready to hop on.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's so good.
that's what I've got all next week there. Bloody hell, I've been
Wow.
working my butt off up there.
Yeah. There's only going to be one train service for Lakeside, isn't it?
Yeah, only the one.
Yeah.
13,
Now
26,
arriving
only one
at
running.
South Yarra.
Yeah, that sort of cruise.
Change here for Frankston, Pakenham and Cranbourne services.
I've been having a bit of a holiday, so I haven't been back having really a while yet. So I'm just having have a bit of a month for the holiday. So I'll be back next week. So
What day?
we'll be up to Melbourne. We'll on next week will be the 5th. Probably
That's Saturday.
Saturday.
Saturday's the 5th.
Probably the week after.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Next year I'm just gonna find some work experience next year because I'm gonna be year 10 next year. So
Oh, yeah.
I'm starting to find if I can work at Puppy Billy next year. So
What do you want to work in the workshops or something, do you?
I don't know because we all have to find a work experience for next year. So
Oh, yeah. Just tell Centrelink you're doing voluntary work up there. You get paid for it.
taking off for the United and 10s on the Puppy Billy Railway on the 9th of December.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I heard the CEO is in England.
He's back.
He's back?
Yeah, I'm going to see him on Thursday night.
Yeah.
No, he went to Wales. He didn't go to England, he went to Wales.
Wales?
Yeah, to Wales, because they got narrow gauges up there. They got...
Yeah. Wow.
Now arriving at Paran.
Paran. Paran.
Which station are you going off?
Windsor.
Windsor. Sandringham.
No, that's right at the end.
Yeah.
That whole area was flooded recently.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Here we go.
The next station is yours.
Yeah, should know that.
Oh, so faster.
Because that's how the train goes. We have to keep the speed kilometres, and then because we don't want to go too fast, so simple.
It's because it's easier.
Now arriving at Windsor.
I'll probably see you.
Yeah, you'll see me about up there.
Yeah. Are you going to be at Lakeside or Cockatoo?
I'm conducting. I'll be at the both. Up,
Both?
down, up, down, up, down.
Oh, yeah.
Got 3 round trips.
Alright. I think I'll see you, like, not next Saturday, but the week after.
Alright. I used to see you at Lakeside.
Yeah, I'll be back in the week after.
Yeah,
So.
plenty of activity at Lakeside.
Yeah. I'll see you then.
Yeah, you will, Brad.
You're on the train.
That was a bit funny when the kangaroo went in the runway and went, what?
I wonder if it had money in its pouch.
Here we go.
To buy a ticket.
No. Because I was getting there was a kangaroo when I went, I don't know when was it, but I thought I just saw it in a paddock and then must have came up in, I don't know, it must have sometimes does it. So you only got 2 more stops and then you'll be in Elstonwy.
Yeah, go to this one.
So this video will be ready by probably tomorrow probably, so
What's that?
the
The video call.
yeah. You might see some of the different videos we made today, so
Yeah.
Now arriving at Balaclava.
that's right.